My name is Daniel Stockmann. I'm the owner of Nebraska Interstate Drug Defense. I specialize in helping people who have been unlawfully targeted by law enforcement as they travel across Nebraska on their way back home. The biggest benefit that a client can gain by seeking me out early on in a case is that I can physically post the bond for the client so that the family member doesn't have to travel from their home state to small town Nebraska to post the bond themselves. I can help get the car out of the impound lot so that the client, after posting of his bond, can get back in his car and drive back home to his family and loved ones.
I live in Minnesota, and on my way home from Colorado, I was passing through Nebraska, where I got pulled over for a broken license plate. I ended up getting arrested and was immediately worried that I was going to be spending jail time in Nebraska. I contacted a few lawyers in the Nebraska area, and out of all of them, Daniel Stockmann was the only one to give it to me straight. And he sent me back home with a huge weight off my shoulders, and I was able to be there for the birth of my first child. I would highly recommend Daniel Stockmann.
I'm well versed in the tricks of the trade used by law enforcement and prosecutors to gain a conviction. I know what they're going to say and what they're going to do before they even act.
He was thorough, he is so knowledgeable, and he was completely straightforward from our very first conversation all the way until the end of the case. To say that I'm simply satisfied would be an understatement. Both my family and myself, we just truly could not be any happier with Mr. Stockmann.
My clients are scared. They're scared of going to jail. They're scared of losing their jobs. They're scared of losing their family or friends, or what their family or friends might think of them if they do end up in jail. They're scared of losing everything that they've worked their entire lives for. That constant communication that I keep with my clients helps ease any anxiety or tension they may feel as the case progresses. You can physically see the tension and anxiety just drain from their face when they realize that they're not going to be losing everything they've worked for their entire lives. They're not going to lose their job, they're not going to lose their family, they're not going to be losing their freedom. If you or a family member find yourself in need of an attorney in Nebraska, then contact me immediately so that I can get to work for you.